Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all love shopping, or we all go for shopping. We shop for our parents, we shop for our siblings, we shop for our friends, we shop for our relatives, we shop for ourselves, right? There are lots of occasions we do shop, and since there are lots of festivities lined up right now, so I thought of taking up this topic of shopping, and I'm going to speak up about vocabularies related to shopping so that it's easier for you to talk about your shopping experience or anything related to this topic with anyone, anywhere, anytime. So in this session, I'm going to take up shopping as a topic, and I'm going to speak up all the vocabularies, general basic conversational vocabularies related to shopping, and I'm going to come up with sentences related to those words or vocabulary so that it's easier for you to understand the word and use in your own sentences as well. You can come up with many sentences with that word as well. And the last part will be I'm going to talk about my shopping experience. Are you ready? So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And by the way, only for you guys, I have come up with many different topics. You can just browse my playlist and you can check out how many different topics, and you can start speaking on it. If you take up one topic every day for 30 days continuously, if you practice English speaking like this, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in your English communication skills or in your English fluency and confidence. So let's begin with the topic now. I love shopping, by the way, and I'm sure you guys also love shopping, right? There are occasions coming up and we do go shopping to buy something for us. So let's explore the vocabularies now. We know what shop is, or the other term for it is a store. We are going to the store to buy something, right? To buy this or to buy that, whatever you want to buy. So shop or store is the first vocabulary, which means it's a place where items are kept for shopping or where you can go and purchase the items. Okay, it's a place where items are displayed for you to purchase it. Okay, so you can go around, you can check out everything, and then you can buy from it. That is a store or a shop. Okay, for example, I went to the store to buy some clothes. I went to the store to buy some clothes. For me, for someone else, for my daughter, anything you can add. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second, customer. Now, who is a customer? A person who buys goods or services is called a customer. So when I went to shop for clothes, I am a customer. Okay, or people who all go to the store to buy something is a customer. Okay, as a customer, I am not satisfied with the product. As a customer, I am not satisfied with the product. Okay, next is cashier. Person who takes your payment. So there's a cash counter at every mall or a shopping complex or a shop. There is a cash counter and a person sits and do the billing, right? So that person is called a cashier. Person who takes your payment and gives you the bill, or types your bill and everything. So he or she is called a cashier. So we go to the cash counter and we do the billing. We give the payments to the cashier. Okay, the cashier didn't have the change, so I have to pay online. The cashier didn't have the change, so I have to pay online. Okay, another term is discount or sale. Okay, what is a discount or sale? We frequently come across this word, right? There's a monsoon sale, or there's an Independence Day sale, or there's a Christmas sale, or there are lots of other sales also which goes on during Diwali or Puja or etc. etc. during different festivals. So a reduced price. So whatever price is there, if it is sold at a reduced price, it's called a discount or a sale. There was a 50% discount on items displayed in the store. There was a 50% discount on items displayed in the store. Another term is receipt. When you go to the billing counter, you pay the cashier your amount and then you get a receipt. Right? What is a receipt? A paper or digital proof of your purchase. So they gives a paper wherein the bill is written, the price of every item is written, the total is done, whatever taxes is there, everything, all the details are there. So that is a paper receipt, or you get a soft copy of it. You get it on your email nowadays, right? So that is a receipt. Nowadays, many stores have started giving online receipts rather than a hard copy. Okay, now we talk about the price or cost, which means how much something costs. What is the price of that item, right? Basically, we want to know the monetary value of that product. So that is a price or a cost. Can you please help me with the price of this dress? Can you please help me with the price of this dress? Or how much is the cost of this dress? How much is the cost of this dress? Now, another very popular term is window shopping. We all do window shopping. I love doing window shopping, by the way. Whenever I get time, I go into the store and I do window shopping. And if I feel that something is good or, valuable enough, I buy that. But lots of times, I also prefer doing window shopping. So what is this window shopping? It's browsing items in the shop without the intent to purchase it. Or, we are just exploring the store without the intent of purchasing any item from there. That is called a window shopping. There's a 50% sale going on, so I went for window shopping. There was a 50% sale going on, so I went for window shopping just to check the products or items. Bargain. Bargain. You all love bargaining, especially ladies. So what is a bargain? Buying anything at a cheaper rate or a lower price. So basically, if the shopkeeper says this costs 100 rupees, we say, no, I want it for 60 rupees or 50 rupees or 80 rupees. So that is, and if we get that product at the cheaper rate like 60 rupees or 50 rupees or 80 rupees also, we say we have bargained, right? The price was 100, but we got it for 60 rupees. So that is a bargain. We love to bargain during street shopping. We love to bargain during street shopping. Another term is a retail store. Retail store is a store which sells goods directly to the customer or consumer. Okay, so we have a lot of retail stores across India. D-Mart is there, Reliance is there, etc. etc. There are lots of retail stores available where we can directly go and shop. I prefer to buy clothes from a retail store. I prefer to buy clothes from a retail store. Refund, right? Whenever we get a wrong product or size is not right, we go and return it or exchange it. So when we return it, we get a refund, which means money returned to a buyer after returning a product is called refund. Every store has its own refund policy. Every store has its own refund policy. We also speak about voucher or a coupon. We get coupons or vouchers. What is a voucher? Voucher is a discount coupon wherein we can redeem it. Okay, we can use that coupon to buy something. Okay, I received a shopping voucher as a birthday gift. Coupon. It is a discount offer. Right? Again, you get a coupon, you can redeem it. Another term is apparel. Apparel means clothing items. It's a general term which is called apparel. You're going to an apparel store. Okay, or lots of apparels are there in this store, or different apparels are available in this store. As I told you, we either return or exchange some items. So we go for an exchange also. What we do is we give the product and we buy another product, the same price, or maybe a different size or anything else. Like it has to be the same amount, or if it is for a higher amount, we can pay the money. Okay, so item swap. You are swapping an item with your previous purchase. That is a exchange. I had to exchange an item because I bought a larger size. I had to exchange an item because I got a larger size. I had to exchange the item because I got a wrong product. I had to exchange the item because I've got a wrong product. Okay, so guys, these were some basic general conversational terms which were related to shopping. Right, when we go to a mall, we go to a market, a complex, or any street shopping or anywhere else, we should know all these vocabularies, right? Because we go to the payment counter, there's a cashier, we have to pay there, we get a receipt, then the payment, the checkout, the lots of things we need to know about it, right? So this is how we can start using these vocabularies in our conversations also. Now the third part is I'm going to talk about my shopping experience. Okay, last weekend I went to the shopping mall to buy something for my friend. It was a marriage anniversary, so I wanted to gift her something. And when I went to the mall, there were a lot of discounts going on. I went there and I checked out a lot of items, but I couldn't find the right one. So I kept on window shopping. I went to 3-4 stores and checked out all the items. And finally in one store, I found something which I liked finally. So I bought the dress and I went to the cash counter for the billing. I made the payment through my card. I got the receipt and I came out of the store. I was very happy that I got the right gift for her. I lost hope initially because I was not able to find anything for her, but later on I found something which I'm sure she will love. So shopping is not easy. You have to have a little patience because you have to check a lot of stores and then you have to see which one is the best, right? And during sale there are lots of stuffs available, but there are lots of problems with size or price or anything else, right? So you have to be very careful while purchasing items during sale. So this was my shopping experience of buying a gift for my friend for a wedding anniversary. So guys, in this way you can just start using these vocabularies and you can start taking up any topic related to shopping and you can speak about it. Like I spoke about my shopping experience. You can also come up with any of your shopping experience or anything you have to shop for someone or you have to shop for yourself. You can just speak about it. How was your experience? What did you do? What did you shop? Anything you can take up and you can start speaking it. Okay, I'm sure I've made things much easier for you to start talking about it in English. So if you start practicing in this way, it will be much easier for you to start speaking in English with anyone, anywhere, anytime on this topic. And it's a good conversational starter also. It is a small talk. You can start talking to anybody on this topic. Everybody enjoys talking on this topic. So you can start having conversation on this topic with anyone on this topic as well. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.